Adaptive M suspension in some BMW models has become available by subscription. All its components are already installed on the car, and their operation is unlocked after payment, the Motor One portal learned. As the publication writes, it all started with a post on Reddit. It said that in Slovenia, adaptive suspension costs €30 per month. In other European countries and in the USA, the situation is similar, although the exact cost is different. The thing is that the necessary components are already installed on some BMW models at the factory. In other words, the adaptive suspension is mounted on them. And then there are options. If the buyer does not want to pay extra, he drives on the standard suspension. M opportunities will open either for a monthly fee or after paying for the option immediately for the entire life of the car. After that, the corresponding settings and tabs in the menu are electronically unlocked. The owner can test the option for free for a month to make a decision. Of course, we are talking about the official path. It is not yet known whether there are alternative solutions from private car services that allow you to adjust the BMW factory code. In September last year, BMW refused to provide seat heating by subscription. The reason was the lack of demand. Customers preferred to pay for this option the old-fashioned way immediately when ordering a car.